If the earth is alive, touch my foot.
Wow, the road is bumpy, guys, eh? Woo. Woo. Thank you, Kat.
Bros, I'm chilling outside right now. Bro, this sunset about to play.
You know, okay, anyways, my phone's already dead. Gonna plug it in. Gotta find a good spot.
Oh my god! Anakin! Anakin, tam. There we go. Back up again. If you can hear me, then we have non-believers. Back up a little bit. Back it up. Yes, baby. Back it up. Now, touch my hand. Come on. Bring it up and touch my hand. Touch my hand. Tree. Touch my hand. Yes, come on. It's okay. Touch my hand. Show them that you can hear me. See that? I did not move. Okay?